I'm gonna attempt to do this with one hand. Probably won't be the easiest, and I would recommend doing a couple things. You gotta heat them up. Heat them up and get them warm. So that way you can take the flux paste, solder paste. It's already got the flux in it. No need to flux. And just dab it on. Heat it up so it melts and sets into the joint. Trying to film and do this is a little difficult. Make sure you get every one of them. I can tell it's starting to get cool because it's not melting. I made it, I think. Alright, put that one to the side. Alright, now you gotta take the heat again and melt the flux back down into it. If you hit it all at once, the flux will just run and drip down on the ones below it. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna heat them up and then start here on the bottom until that heats up, turns orange, and boop, melts. Next one. Next one. Start at the bottom so that way you don't overcook the ones below you, because it melts at about 1400 degrees. You don't want to melt your silver. It's a little less than an ounce of silver here. The ones up here need a little more heat because it's on the brick. There you go. It's on the next one. Recommend working in a ventilated area.
I can sell off a huge chunk of my collection, which means that you guys have an opportunity to own a little piece of Silver Pickers collection and get some really, really cool coins, silver, and
that's about it
for your collection. And as you probably guessed, how am I selling this? Well, through Whatnot. One of the coolest platforms for sale online.
Take another video of the next step. Just gonna solder up the rest of those links.